Do you want to know the two things that I would do if I was just starting in the online world and wanted to make the money that I see everyone else is making? Well, I'm going to tell you right now. Hey, Andrew Woodward here, and on this channel we focus on the best online marketing strategies that grow your wealth, build a long-term business and allow you to work from anywhere using nothing more than your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. Now, what would I do to make big money online if I was just starting out today? Now, before I get into it, I want you to understand that these two tips I'm going to share with you are based on my experience over the last 6 years and what I've learned from some of my mentors. Now, I'm not going to guarantee these tips will make you the big bucks, but I'm pretty sure if you do them, you'll have a much better chance than if you don't, right? Now, this is a roadmap as such, of how I would start out to get results. No matter where you're at right now, whether you have an email list already or not, you can get started and get results using these two tips and strategies. So what would I do if I wanted to make massive money online, starting from scratch today? The first thing I'd do is to stop trying to make massive money online. I hear it all the time, people spruiking they're making tens or hundreds of millions of dollars every year and how they can teach you to do it too. It's the number one problem I see. You see, other people are doing it, making great money online. And I'm not going to lie, there's lots of money to be made online. But you can't just decide you're going to jump online, start an online business, and if by magic, start making massive money. It just doesn't work like that. It's like saying you're going to have this grand house and you build it without foundations. Soon enough, it's going to collapse, right? So what do you need to do? Well, the second tip I've got for you is to focus on the basics. Build your foundations to support your business that you want to build. Get in place the things you have to have for success first, before you think about the mega millions you're going to make. The things that most people want to ignore. Heck, most people aren't even teaching this stuff. You need to know what industry you're going to be in. You've got to start somewhere. So what is it you're going to be? How are you going to make money in the first place? Is it an Amazon store, which seems to be really popular? Drop shipping, which they say is easy? Or is it affiliate marketing, an agency, your own courses? What's going to be best for you? Now, if you want to know what my answer would be if I was just getting started today, yep, you guessed it, it would be affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing was a great industry last year, it'll be a great one this year, and it will continue to be a great one next year. All you've got to do is learn it. And you want to know why I think it's so great? Well, that's pretty simple. With affiliate marketing, you don't need a website, you don't need to carry inventory, and you don't need a customer support team. You just need a simple affiliate marketing funnel, which is made up of a few pages, one of which you don't even need to create yourself. The owner of the product you're promoting will create that for you. So you just need a couple of pages to get started. And you can check out my training video on these pages by clicking on the link up there. And you know what else is great about affiliate marketing? Is that Amazon doesn't own my business. If you're in the Amazon stores, you don't own your business, Amazon does. You're just building their business, competing with a gazillion others doing the same thing. You have no control. You're playing on Amazon's field and they have all the control. Now, a big key to success with business is control. You've got to have it, and you get it by building your own business. So there's sustainability because you control what happens. Now, I get it though. You see other people doing these things, supposedly making heaps of money, and you want it too. So you end up doing the crap that doesn't work and end up giving up and having to start from scratch over and over again. I see it all the time. People who subscribe to the fail fast, fail often motto, but forget that the ultimate aim is to actually succeed at some point. And why not start by giving yourself a chance rather than trying a heap of stuff that isn't going to work? Now, I've been in the online world for over 6 years now, and I've tried a lot of things. And you want to know a secret? Affiliate marketing hasn't changed. You just got to learn how to do it the right way from the beginning. So what is the right way? Isn't it just as simple as finding a product to promote, getting my link, and off I go promoting to whoever will listen? Well, actually, no. You need to create and promote an ecosystem, which is different to just promoting a product. The problem with promoting a product is that you have to keep doing it over and over again, day after day, to make money. You effectively start from zero every day. It's like being an employee having to work hour after hour to get paid. There's no reward for the work you did yesterday, no compounding of your effort. If you're in business, which I'm assuming you want to be if you're watching this training, you want the work you do to keep you paying you tomorrow and the next day and the next. And the way to do it is with an ecosystem. With an ecosystem, you can get paid every time your customer buys from within the ecosystem. So the ecosystem is like a pathway of products that pays you over and over again from the work you did yesterday. So how do you get an affiliate marketing ecosystem? Well, I'm going to leave a link in the description down below where you can access 30 days of detailed training on how to set up the right way an affiliate marketing ecosystem that will enable you to build a sustainable business that makes you money online. Now, like I said, I'm not coming in here to make big claims about what you can make. I don't know how committed you are or how focused you'll be, but I can say that if you apply what you learn in these 30 days of lessons, you will have the same affiliate marketing ecosystem that I use, the same one that my mentor has, and the same one that the successful affiliate marketers use. In this 30 days of training, you'll learn all about the foundations I mentioned earlier, the tools you need to have to get started. You'll learn how to create an email list and how to make money from that list using the ecosystem, and how to ensure that the work you do today continues to pay you in the future over and over again. Pretty cool, right? So to get started and to get access to my personal support for the first 30 days, click the link in the description and let's get you your ecosystem set up the right way from day one. It's a simple click of the link. I'll send you some free stuff and you'll get to watch a free training that explains how the ecosystem works. Well, I hope today's video was helpful for you and helped you understand the two things I recommend you do if you want to make massive money online the right way. So let's do a quick recap. First thing you need to do is stop trying to make massive money online. Second was to focus on the basics, the foundations of your business, and building an affiliate marketing ecosystem. And if you want to get the same step-by-step hand-holding tuition that I got to grow your affiliate marketing business the right way, where you have your own ecosystem to ensure you get started and making sales in the first 30 days, then click the link in the description to partner with me and my mentor. Thanks for watching today's training. To get the best affiliate marketing training, click that link in the description and let's build your business in the next 30 days. And to continue to get these free training videos, make sure you click on the subscribe button and the little bell to get notified when a new training's released. It's the simplest way to ensure that you don't miss any of the good stuff and you get access to everything that I'm doing or using to grow my business so you can grow yours. And do me a favour, click the like button and leave me a comment below to let me know what you thought of this training. I'll read all the comments and reply to everyone. And don't forget to get started with the best step-by-step affiliate marketing training and personal support from me for the first 30 days. Click the link in the description and let's get you earning an online income in the next 30 days.